Original market. I parked the car here at the car park, which is no longer, and they demolished the entire market. Tsukiji Market. Wow! Under full construction now of a new site. Oh my! Oh! So this is. So I parked the car on the top floor, and then I walked down, and there used to be the market just there. They're taking it all off. So there's going to have big buildings like this, all modern. Oh, see where there's boards? That used to be the market, Tsukiji Market. So I walked all past here. I didn't even notice that is a market until I saw that car park. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. So this is the old trolleys. The old Tsukiji trolley. Look at this. So I used to get on this, and these guys give me with a towel, and they put that on my head.
That's all right.
And,
Yeah. Oh, it is still going on. Okay.
And so I used to go around. Turn forward, backwards, stop emergency here. And my fish is there, my tuna, and that's my market, no more. And the old trolley for the fish. Go from board here, go board here, and then gear back, gear forward, emergency there, light beep, beep, beep. Ah.